Hello students. In this session we will discuss about machine installation and maintenance. At the end of this unit you will be able to know about motor installation, know about motor maintenance. Motor installation, mechanical installation, handling and storage. Always lift the motors by eye bolts, never by the shaft. Keep the raising up and lowering down of motor steady. This may damage the bearings. Store the motor in a proper position in a dry, even temperature place which is free from dust, corrosive smoke, gases if motor has not to be installed. Location. For storage, select a location that's well ventilated and not surrounded by walls or any other objects that may affect the ambient temperature. Mounting. Each of the motor's mounting points must sit on the same plane. A reinforced concrete foundation allows the motor to attach and reduce vibration. Generally, for 100 horsepower motor, foundation made of concrete is preferred. Alignment. If you properly align your electric motor to the driven machine, you will reduce energy loss triggered by friction and vibration. The system process efficacy will improve and productivity will increase. Coupling. Because of low cost and space, no belt slippage and lower accident risk, direct coupling is recommended always. In speed ratio drives, usually direct coupling is used with a gearbox. Lubrication. Effective lubricant reduces friction between the shaft and bearing. The lubricant also directs heat away from hot spots, safely cooling the motor. Electrical installation. Wiring. Ensure the proper source voltage, frequency and phase match the motor's nameplate data. Confirming these details can help you make sure the current capacity can maintain the rated voltage under the load condition. Grounding. The power and GND cables must comply with recognized standards. All motor terminal block box and outside motor casing has to be grounded properly. Check the direction of rotation of motor before starting it. If it is required, change the direction. For 3-phase motor, simply swap 2 phases. Motor maintenance. A well-planned maintenance program for electric motor can be summed up as periodical inspection of temperature rise, bearing lubrication, installation level, wear and irregular checking of fan airflow. Lubrication. Lubrication of bearing is must to avoid contact between the moving parts and also for protection against corrosion and wear. Applying right quantity of grease is an essential feature for good lubrication. For an efficient bearing lubrication, follow the motor manual. If manual is not available, the bearing must be greased up to its full. Quantity and quality of grease. Grease applied must be correct and sufficient in quantity, as both insufficient and excess grease are harmful. Excessive greasing causes overheating generated by the greater resistance caused on the rotating parts. This can cause leakage in the grease, which penetrates the motor and start dripping on motor coil and other components. The session ends here. Before we proceed to the next topic, let us do a quick recap. After studying this unit, the participants will be able to perform mechanical installation of motors, perform electrical installation of motors, perform maintenance activity.